Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best cork board stand is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home office, classroom, or creative space, offering a dynamic way to organize thoughts, display artwork, or share important information with unparalleled ease and accessibility. This isn't just a simple board, it's a central hub for your ideas, a visual anchor for your projects, and a tactile surface that brings your plans to life, making it an indispensable addition to any environment where productivity and creativity converge. Imagine effortlessly pinning up reminders, showcasing your child's latest masterpiece, or mapping out your next big project with a tool that is as functional as it is aesthetically pleasing, all while keeping your workspace tidy and inspiring. Number 5. T-Sign Portable Artist Easel Stand. Discover the ultimate painting companion, loved by artists and exhibitors alike. Its height is fully adjustable, making it perfect for artists of all ages and preferences, whether you prefer tabletop or standing use. Adjusting it is a breeze with our simple flip fasteners. Tired of heavy easels? Ours weighs just 2.15 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry. It sets up in moments and folds down compactly to just 21 inches, perfect for on-the-go creativity. Experience worry-free painting, even outdoors. Its sturdy design features adjustable legs and rubber grips, ensuring stability on any surface. Say goodbye to flimsy easels that tip over easily. This easel securely holds your creations in place. The spring-loaded top clamp ensures your artwork stays put, no matter the size. From home studios to trade shows, rely on this easel for professional results. It's designed for both practicality and quality, meeting the demands of artists and exhibitors. What we like? If you need an easel that can adapt to various needs, this is the one. It offers a wide range of height adjustments, making it suitable for both tabletop and standing use, and even for different users like adults and children. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, and the sturdy design ensures stability, even outdoors. You should consider this if you are an artist who moves around frequently or needs a versatile easel for different projects. What people say. The cork board is a good size and holds a lot of pins. It's very sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when I'm writing on it. The stand is adjustable, so I can set it to the perfect height. Number 4. U.S. Art Supply Cabrillo Tabletop Easel. Introducing the Cabrillo Model Tabletop Easel from U.S. Art Supply. This premium easel is crafted from durable black aluminum and easily adjusts to meet your needs. It's perfect for holding your paintings, framed photos, books, or even presentations. Use it in your studio, office, or for event displays. Setting up is a breeze, taking just moments. Weighing only 1 pound, it's incredibly portable for artists on the go or for retail displays. Its sturdy tripod structure, adjustable leg, and non-skid feet ensure it remains stable on any surface. You can confidently create or display your items. When not in use, it folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. It's the ideal solution for saving space at home or while traveling. What we like? For those who prioritize portability and tabletop use, this easel is an excellent choice. It's incredibly lightweight and sets up instantly, making it perfect for artists on the go, retail displays, or office presentations. Its aluminum construction ensures durability while keeping the weight down. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-transport easel for smaller projects or displays, this one fits the bill. What people say. The cork board is a good size for my desk and holds a lot of notes. It's very sturdy and doesn't tip over easily. I like that it's double-sided, so I can use both sides for pinning things. Number 3. U.S. Art Supply 13.5 Black Metal Tabletop Easel. This easel is designed for ultimate portability. It's lightweight and foldable, making it incredibly easy to transport and set up anywhere you need a display. Customize the height and position of your display with its adjustable arms. It securely holds items up to 14 inches high and 11 inches wide, ensuring a perfect fit. The tripod design offers maximum stability, while non-skid rubber feet protect your surfaces. You can confidently display items weighing up to 2 pounds. It's perfect for showcasing artwork, photos, signs, or posters. Use it for art displays, trade shows, retail, or office presentations. When not in use, its foldable design allows for compact storage. It sets up instantly, ready for any quick display needs on any table surface. What we like? This easel is designed for ultimate portability and ease of use, especially for lighter displays. Weighing less than a pound, it's incredibly easy to transport and set up. The adjustable holder arms provide flexibility for different sizes, and its foldable design makes storage a breeze. If you need a simple, lightweight easel for art, photos, or small signs, particularly for events or presentations with items under 2 pounds, this is a great option. What people say. This cork board stand is very sturdy and well made. The adjustable height feature is a great addition, making it versatile for different users and settings. The large cork surface provides ample space for pinning notes, photos, and other items. Number 2. U.S. Art Supply 15-inch aluminum tabletop easel. Introducing our premium 15-inch tabletop easel. It's incredibly lightweight and features a folding frame for instant setup, making it perfect for artists on the go. This versatile stand is ideal for displaying paintings, framed photos, books, and even whiteboards. Use it anywhere from stores to your home for various display needs. Enhance your workspace or home with this elegant easel. It's perfect for retail displays, trade shows, office presentations, or simply showcasing items at home. It can securely hold items up to 5 pounds. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight aluminum, it offers enhanced stability. The non-skid rubber feet ensure it stays put and protects your surfaces from scratches. When collapsed, it measures just 3.5 wide by 2.5 deep by 16 high, making it easy to transport and store. Its total weight is only 0.5 pounds. What we like. If you're an artist or presenter who needs a premium, lightweight, and quick-to-set-up display solution, this easel is for you. Its high-quality aluminum construction ensures durability and stability, while its feather-light weight makes it ideal for travel. The instant setup means you can be ready to display your work or presentation in seconds. Consider this if you value both quality and convenience for your artistic or professional needs. What people say. The cork board is large and sturdy, perfect for displaying important notices and photos. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height, making it versatile for different users and spaces. The included accessories like pins and markers are a nice bonus, adding to its functionality. Number 1. Juvale Decorative Cork Bulletin Board. Turn any room into a stylish and organized command center. It's perfect for displaying messages, schedules, and reminders for the whole family. Keep your important project timelines and task lists visible in your workspace. This board helps you stay on top of deadlines and maintain an organized, appealing environment. Make your dorm room a chic and functional study space. Its narrow design is perfect for small areas, helping you keep academic schedules and reminders organized. Hanging your new board is simple. Just choose a spot, use the included hardware to attach it to the wall, and it's ready for your messages and photos. Your purchase includes 1 framed cork board, sawtooth hangers, and 4 push pins. Everything you need to get organized right away. What we like. This is the perfect choice if you're looking to add a touch of style and organization to your home or office. Its decorative white frame and classic design make it a focal point, while the narrow shape is ideal for smaller spaces. Use it as a family message center in the kitchen, for office reminders, or even in a dorm room to keep track of schedules and tasks. If you want a functional yet attractive way to display important notes and messages, this is it. What people say. The cork board is large and sturdy, perfect for displaying important notices. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height, making it versatile for different users. The included markers and eraser are a nice addition, providing everything needed to get started. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.